Hi, I'm Sarah Maxwell, and this is Brooke Peterman. We're the Dedra Hughes team at Mercer Hughes Real Estate Group. Today we are at a beautiful new listing. It's 806 Millpond Road in beautiful Eager subdivision. I'm going to let Brooke tell you all about it.
Yes, this listing has everything that you may want. It's in a lovely sought-after neighborhood right in the center of town. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, a half bath. It has a huge office space that could be converted to anything that you wanted it to be. It's got a beautiful circle driveway with mature landscaping and so much more. So call me or your favorite realtor and let's go see this one today. Come on.